Creating a document in Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Now, go to New File, and you will have this New Document dialog box appear. Come down and make sure in terms of orientation that you have Landscape selected. Do not press Artboard. Here you have all the different types of dimensions that you can have for your document, but the one we're interested in is inches. So make sure that says inches, and then type in 11.6 by 8.3. Make sure that is 300 dpi, which is dots per inch, because our document is going to be for print. Once you've done that, click Create. In order to zoom out, hold down the Control key and hit minus. To zoom in, you hold down the Control key and hit plus. If you have a padlock on the right side of the document, click that once and the padlock will be gone.